How's everyone and welcome. Colleen here. So today I have a Temu haul for you. I'll say right here that Temu is a worldwide marketplace, so I don't give out any prices because every country is going to be slightly different. But I will say that it is a very competitive marketplace. So with no further ado, I'm going to just jump right into this haul. So with this haul, I've got quite a variety of things. It's a bit of a smaller haul, but I wanted to show you anyway all the things that I had gotten. So the first thing I got was some pillow covers. So these are quilted, and they're just like any other pillow cover, really. These are meant to go under your pillowcases, cover your pillow to protect them, and then you can just take them off and wash them. They're quilted, as I mentioned, so that makes them very nice comfort wise, and they are very soft. So I just got a brown covers. They come in a set of 2, and it's basically to protect your pillows. So we got that. And then I got this here for your chair, and it's basically to help with your back. And so this slips over a chair, and it keeps your back straight and stuff like that. So I had gotten one before in another haul, but that one did not have the elastic that you can put over top of your chair and slide down onto your chair. And I like that idea because then you can adjust it a little easier. So I got one of those because I do need some support when you're sitting and crafting or whatever during the day. It's nice to have that extra support for your back. So then the next thing I got was these are clamps, and these are basically to put your frames together and keep them clamped together as they are drying when you glue and they're very strong too, by the way. But you slip it inside there, and then you would slip the next one basically on the next corner, and you do all 4 of the corners after you have glued them together, and then it will hold them as you let them dry. So I had one picture in particular that the frame had come apart, and it is a very meaningful. It's Egyptian, and it came from Egypt, and it was meaningful because even the frame itself has the writings, Egyptian writings on it, and I needed to fix it. So I found these, and these will work perfect for that job and for many jobs in the future, I assume. Okay, so we got that. And then I got this here, and it's basically a snap system to put snaps onto. It's the tool for it. So it basically explains itself, and then it came with all these different snaps with it for you to use. So I didn't have the tool, and I needed the tool because I do have some snaps, but I had no way to use them properly. So I thought I would get this tool. It was very reasonable price, so that's why I got that. And then I got this here, iron-on transfer, just because I couldn't resist it. It was just so cute. And it's these cats. Isn't that cute? I think it'll make a great little bag to put on a little bag or even on a t-shirt. I just loved the abstract of those cats. So I got that. Okay, and then I got these here. What are they calling them? I'm not even sure what they're called. But basically, you use them to mount. You mount them on your desk or wherever on the wall, and they have very strong adhesive, so you don't have to use nails, as you can see. And then you would put you would put shelving on them. And they came in, I think there's 6 or 8 in this pack, I think. But I really only needed the 2 because, as I've mentioned before, I am moving my craft room. I'm excited because it'll be a much larger craft room. I'm moving it downstairs. I'm taking over the common area because we really don't use it that much anymore. And I had a beautiful wooden desk, and I needed something to mount my camera on the desk with. And I thought these would be the best solution because I do not want to hammer into the desk. So that's why I got those, and I'll let you know how strong they are, how well they work. Okay, and then I just got a couple more items, and like I said, it's a bit smaller. Oh, I got 3 more here. Well, actually, I got 2 of these. This is a steel drum, and I got these for Christmas presents, and I had seen them, and I bought a small one, and I really liked it, so I decided to get the bigger ones. So it comes in a case, which is really cool. Oh, and there's also a song book here, a music book. So it has different little songs you can play on it for people that are wanting to play a little song on them, or just beginning with something like this. I thought that was cool. And here it is. And the other one I got is a light blue. But I'll just show you this one here. So then it came with the drum type of sticks, but also this one also came, which I thought was interesting. It comes with these finger. So you slide these onto your finger so you can play with your fingers. And it comes with 4. I'm not sure what this is for yet. I'll have to figure that out. This little piece here. That's odd. But anyways, you slide these on your fingers. So it's saying. And then you can play, instead of the sticks, you can play with your fingers. There we go. I have to get used to them. I think I'd put them on my thumbs, is what I would do, is put a set on my thumbs. Maybe that would be better. Okay, or yeah, I like it better with the drumsticks. Get a much deeper vibrating sound, don't you? Anyways, I thought these were really cool. They're going to make great gifts, and they are basically weatherproof, and that's what I was thinking of when I got them, that the people I got them for can put them out in their patios, and have them sit out and people can come along and play, or they can play. And it's just very calming sounding too, right? I thought it was just a really cool, whoops, I'm going to put it back in its bag. And I'm sure you could put these in there too if you so liked. But I'm not going to do that right now. I'll let them decide how they want to do that. But I thought it was the coolest gift that you would never buy for yourself. And isn't that what gifts sometimes are all about? Is something you would really enjoy, but you would never buy it for yourself. So there's 2 families that I got these for. Okay, so those are the still drums. Set those over here. Set that over there, I should say. And then I got some charms. And these are sewing charms. Sewing theme charms. I'm just going to put them on this. And you can see them. But yeah, I want to do a sewing journal. So these would just be perfect in a journal like that. There we go. So basically that's what they are. There's a few sewing machines, some wool, some thread. What's that say? I love to sew. Yeah, I love sewing, it says. Measuring ruler, clothespin. So yeah, I thought that was a kind of a really neat set. So I think there's it's a 20-piece set, if I remember correctly. It doesn't say on there, but I'm pretty sure it is 20-piece. Okay, and the last thing I got in this haul is, I'll just put these away and then I'll show you, was for painting. I thought this was a cool little gadget that you use so you don't have to be constantly changing out your water. So I believe, okay, you can put your watercolors in these trays. And then it has this, which you would fill with fresh water from your tap. And then, if I understood correctly, yeah, you put it on here. I'm not exactly sure how it fits at the moment, but oh, I see. You would put it in here, I think. Yes, there we go. And then you just press this button and it brings up fresh water for you to wash your, it refills your water to keep your water fresh. You bring it down. Oh, sorry, I'm not explaining that well. So you have fresh water in here, right? Because it is coming from this on this little trail here. And so you'd be using your brushes and so forth. And when this water gets dirty, all you need to do is push this button. It drains it, and then you get fresh water. So it is perfect. And then these are different spots to put your paint brushes. So that's how that works. And then oh, that would fit right there. So then you'd just fit that on there. And if you were working with watercolors, you'd put your watercolors in there, your paints. So yeah, I think this is going to work really well. And then you're not having to change your water out all the time frequently if you're in the middle of a project. So again, good price. So I thought I'd give it a try. So that's everything I got this time, guys. So like I said, I will have these all linked below. So if you want to check them out for yourselves, you can certainly do that. Don't forget to like and subscribe and press that notification bell, and you will not miss any videos, and it all really helps to keep this community growing. So for now, I want you all to have a lovely, lovely day. And of course, as always, a very crafty day. And I will see and talk to you soon, everyone. Bye for now.